yet to be processed. The delay has been occasioned at the lab because the personnel at the lab indicate they are overwhelmed because they are also handling matters from all over the country, which includes also the case of Shakahola, and thus they are requesting for indulgence. Of custodial orders for 1 week, and if the court is inclined and sees it fit to grant us the same, we're praying for a mention date Wednesday next week.
Your Honor, we totally object to that. The short of time, the 21 days of which they were accorded. So whereas in any case, the court might grant them that, Your Honor, I do request that my client be transferred to a child facility where she can continue enjoying her rights as a child. Your Honor, secondly, as my colleague has said, that this is a sensitive matter that is attracting a lot of publicity and attention. But Your Honor, we take exceptions in the manner the DCI office has been handling the matter. Over the last 2 weeks, the newsrooms have been bombarded with information that they have made conclusive tests to the extent that my client is over 18 years. Your Honor, that is sub judice, and we know that is improper. Your Honor, our own construction is that they are doing this so as to honor the court, so that the court cannot arrive at a different conclusion other than that she is over 18 years. That is the public opinion. Your Honor, we have those scripts. We can forward them to the court. Pardon, Your Honor? That is the perception they are creating. So, Your Honor, as I indicated, we do pray that in any event that the time is extended, that she be transferred to a children's facility.
And I urge you to consider them favorably. The period of time sought is 1 week, which again is quite reasonable under the circumstances. And lastly, on the issue of transfer of the respondents to a child facility, then I'm urging you to consider that the age of the respondent is one of the matters under active investigation. And I believe when the matter comes up next, there might be reports that will ascertain the age of the respondent. So, the order for transfer ought not to be made because it preempts the report that is going to be placed before you to ascertain the age of the respondent. In any event, the respondent has not complained that she's being held under circumstances which are adverse to her alleged age. So I urge you to allow the application for extension. Much obliged.
Settle this on the issue of an age assessment report that has been prepared by a medical doctor. I think he is an expert who is best placed to establish the age of the respondent. But further than that, and unfortunately, because this is just in the interest of justice, we do have a statement recorded by the mother, which indicates that she is...
The owner objects to the direction the council is taking.
Your Honor, just counsel, if you allow me to finish. This is in the interest of justice. This application is made if the respondent would have been a minor, the best person who could have come and testified on the same, and the court being alive of the Children's Act, it would have been the mother. So this is just to buttress the expert's opinion that the respondent is above the age of 18. And equally, as counsel has intimated, that there is no indication that she is being held in an inhumane condition. There is no complaint that she's being mistreated. And lastly, Your Honor, the issue about time extended. It will be proper in the interest of the respondent that proper investigations are done and completed. Therefore, I pray that application for extension of time be allowed.
I don't think you have a right of reply, counsel.
Yeah. So, Your Honor, when you have...
To do my ruling. The results announced is that the evidence recovered with blood stains are yet to be analyzed at the forensic laboratory and a report prepared. The CCTV footage is still in the process of being analyzed. These are very weighty issues considering the offense and the investigations. It is also in the best interest of the respondent that proper investigations are undertaken so as to get to the root of the matter. As for the issue of transfer to a child-friendly facility, the issue of age is still under investigations to ascertain whether or not she is a minor. In the interest of justice, I will allow the application for extension of time to allow the IO to complete investigations and take a further mention on the proposed.
When is this?
So we mentioned this matter on the 25th of October
Most of
at
them.
9:30.
Most of them. Lazima nitamuita kwa yeye, lazima atareje. Akuje naandike vipangia zake. Umeelewa?